Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add Flourish charts and maps to Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva PC version. This is the desktop version of Canva. Don't forget to sign in with your account. In order to do that, you can click apps, then click design essentials. Now you can scroll down and try to find Flourish. Add Flourish charts and maps to Canva. Seamlessly embed interactive charts, maps and other visualization from your Flourish account in Canva, presentation and design. So you can click use in your design, for example, click presentation aspect ratio, now here all you have to do now, you can connect Flourish with your account. So here, after you sign up with your account, there are some templates that you can use. So you can create or you can try to use a filter like 3D, animated, area, image, and so on. And this is the purpose, like a engagement, for example, and 3D map or area or animated. Let's try, for example, a column chart race. Here we go. So this is the animated template that you can try. So here you can use the theme Flourish Apex, Flourish Midnight, and you can use horizontal style or vertical style, and so on. Even you can try to change the color palette by bar, by single. So you can click export and publish if you're done with the editing. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.